Whole place is a night time. Whole place is a night time. Whole place is a night time. What go on a deal with and say we are deal with the gang? Then back in the lab already, you know, man, we not play with the road, you know, we are deal with no intro, you know, dog. We there, see what we are deal with. We there, the whole place is a night time. We there with none of them. Who? No, the man himself, man. Skippa. Yes, man, Bob himself, you know. Scamming over music, but the music he man do right and all. Yes, man, we there with another one. Skippa and who? Feloni19 and Solitary, the one of them too mad. We go check it out and see where dog a day with. I've been at this one on the tab open for the past couple of days to react to it, gang. But we're gonna get around to it right now. You see me and say, gang, we're not gonna hold up the vibe much longer, you know. Yeah, we'll place us at night time. Let's get it.
Repent, hell is upon us. Repent, hell is upon us. Repent.
Dancehall is in God's hand.
But dancehall is in good hands.
Yeah. Solitary music. Banka shot it.
Hey, yeah. Breakfast camp for chop. They know me that. They know me chop. I'm in a yes.
Saying breakfast camp. Still I say it. Watch.
Me don't force the permission. Little nigga, but me got the world in and take for 30 grand. Girl, let's serve we got. Solitarily for going in there.
Ah, look at you, but we got the world in hand, dog. Me like that. Yes, man, me like that. Come true, go on.
Me drop a slip as a queen before them start clear new sip. Me go dig, me need a software Louis V for me drip. Me need in all peer. Now the game, me sick, my dog, me have yet. Me too mad. Tear down the line before the door. Rats down, mention client. We know you're not scam.
Buckler, we so mad. Tear down the line before the door. Hey boy, go on, choke, go on.
It's one giant a Cooper Benz fan. Me make me entrance. Before land, jump on the line and wake up Susan. She fi send a one food, but it take too long. But me just a go and could a last chop a caution.
Jump on the line and wake up Susan. Susan, wake up and send the bumble money. You know you have to go bank. Eh? You know you have to go send the check. Susan, do the right thing, Susan. Do the right thing, Susan. Go on.
Long, but me just a go and could a last chop a caution. You know me mad, me no care. Me dog force like a rabbit, not a man with no fear. Me drop a couple hit song, me know my granny a hear. Breakfast camp, fuck, chop, I'm in a yes. Calling for the full.
No, madam, we no care already, no. I'm too, no. Yeah, we are mad blood clean people, you know, don't play with it.
I'm in a yes. Calling for the full monitor space. Now I'm pretty young, no with no polish, no paint. Have the girl a suck cocky cut a
Buckler dog say you're weird, say that again.
Calling for the full monitor space. Now I'm pretty young, no with no polish, no paint. Have the girl a suck cocky cut.
When dog say one pretty young thing, you know, polish, no paint. What?
Yes. Calling for the full monitor space. Now I'm pretty young, no with no polish, no paint.
Yeah, now I'm pretty up, nothing with no polish, no paint. We have a girl a blood clean. We not pretty up shit. We have to tell you straight how it is. Sugar cane, we have she a chop and it thing like a sugar cane, you. Have a girl a chop and it's sitting like a sugar cane, you. I want to tell you, yes man, have it, so she have it now, Jacan and you. That me I tell you, I want to be yourself and not pretty up, nothing. We not pretty no eh. Get your tata.
We too mad. I tear down the line before the door. Rocks down mention client. We know you're not scam. I mean one giant a Cooper Benz fan. Me make me entry.
Man say stop mention client. You're not scam. Stop mention client. You talk about client this and client that. I want to you don't own a business. You don't want to talk about client. Who you?
They fool land. Jump on the line and wake up Susan. She fi send a one food, but it take too long. But
Susan do the wrong thing, the right thing, no Susan. Susan do the right thing. Don't make him man come look for you, no Susan. The man on her phone. Yeah, I
just a go and could a last chop a caution. You know me mad, me no care. Me dog force like a rabbit, not a man with no fear. Me drop a couple hit song, me know my granny a hear. Breakfast camp, fuck, chop, I'm in a yes. Calling for the full monitor space. Now I'm pretty young, no with no polish, no paint. Have a girl a suck cocky, cut a sugar me cane. And every time I swallow pill, it a clog up my brain. Me don't force the permission. Little nigga, but me got the.
Alright, skip it up popular and clog your brain, do that. I might sign for you to stop, my friend. It might be, that's not a flex. If that clog up your brain, in a dog.
I swallow pill, it a clog up my brain. Me don't force the permission. Little nigga, but me got the world in hand. Take for 30 grand, girl, let's serve we got. Solitarily for going in the early morning. Me drop a slip as a quint before them
Check
start.
for 30 grand and get a slurpy got over here, my yacht. You think a slurpy to blood clean? Go at you.
Me drop a slip as a quint before them start clear. New sip, me go dig, me need a software. Louis V for me drip, me need in all beer. Now the game, me sick, me
Mad.
tear down the line before the door rocks down. Mention clear, me know you're not scam. A Benz one Toyota Cooper, Benz father, make me enjoy. The full land, jump on the line and wake up Susan. She fi send a one forward, but it take too long. But me just a go and call the last chapter caution.
Easy no man. Bumbo cleat. Easy. Skippa, where do you push your merch? Merch time? Why I go and skip them? I talk to you now, man. You see me, man, say, yo, here I go and dog Susan. Jump on the line and wake up Susan. Susan go send the money, you know, Susan. Susan, me Susan for your own good Susan. Go send the money, don't make you run off, you come blood clot, you know. You better you give them, make you run off, and Susan don't make man come pay. Easy now, man. I'm here, man. Say, yo, nah, we not polish and paint nothing. You gotta, you know what I'm saying, like a sugar cane. You know what I mean? John Hanna yacht. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Anyway, gang, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me and say if you like to show that some of us support, make you know say yo the dancing, you know, gang. Mad thing, man. Skippa is on a roll, bro. Skippa is on a roll and we love to see it. Keep doing things, skip them. You see me? I think that was Felon19. Or was that solid? No, yeah, that was Felon19. Felon19, interesting artist. We might have to check out more from him. You know what I'm saying? I shout out to Bankroller and Solitaire for producing the track and shooting the track. You see me? I say? But yeah, man. Pretty dope track. Like it. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I'm going to drop it right now. Phone. You see me as a gang. Till next time. Take care on yourself and each other. Love you guys.